Hello friends, in the last video we have learned how we are going to extract the data from Yahoo Finance. That means if you have to extract the data of one company, we have learned that. Now in this video we are going to learn how we can extract multiple stock data from Yahoo Finance. That means within one command we can extract the data for more than one companies. It can be 2 companies, 4 companies, 5 companies or 10 companies. You can extract the data for all of them within the one command. So today I'll be talking about two packages. One is PD fetch that we have also discussed in the previous video, and one new package that is known as tidy quant. So I'll be talking about first of all with PD fetch that we have already discussed last time. So in the last video I have discussed that if you have to extract the data for one company, so your command will be PD fetch _ Yahoo and then you have to write the symbol of the company. Now let's see if you have to extract the data for more than one companies. So let's say first of all you have to put the library. Just go with the library and write PD fetch. I have already done it, so I am not doing it again. So let's write the command. So command is, I am just storing the command with the variable x. So that's why I am writing x. You can write y, z or any name, whatever name you want. So after that I am writing the command PD fetch _ Yahoo because I want to get the data from Yahoo Finance. Then I have to club these all the companies. For the clubbing I am using C. So that means I am clubbing the terms. After that I'll write the variable name. So first of all let's say I want it from NSE index, that is Nifty 50. So the name symbol for NSE is NSEI. Now another index that I want is for ITC. That means I want the data for ITC. I want the stock price for ITC. So what you have to do, after writing the first symbol, put comma and in quotes write the next symbol. So next symbol is ITC.NS. Now I want the third company too. So third company is Tata Motors. So the symbol for Tata Motors is Tata Motors.ns. Now let's see. Once I press enter, it will take 2-3 minutes and in the environment window you will see the variable x is created. Now see, it will take time, but now the symbol variable x is created. Now if you want to view it, now just press it. Now you will see the view. Now first of all you will see the NSE, its open price, high price, low price, close and volume. After that the next symbol I wanted for ITC. So next for ITC, open, high, low, close and adjusted, and even volume is there. And third company I wanted for Tata Motors. So the third company Tata Motors is also being extracted. Now the problem is I can't work on all these price. I can't work on open also, high also, close or adjusted. I want only the closed price should come. So let's say what will be the command. I'll write the same command, that is x PD fetch _ Yahoo. Then C, I want these 3 companies only. What I'll write for comma, I'll write in quotes close. That means I want the price for close. I only want the close price. So let's wait for 2-3 minutes and then see over here. Now see, you will get the close price of NSE, ITC and Tata Motors. Now let's see, if you are seeing the price over here, you are seeing that the price is starting from 2007 onwards. Now suppose I don't want the price from 2007, and you will see over here that first of all in NSC the price of 2007 is not available, so that's why it's written NA. But I don't want these prices. Let's say I want the prices starting from 2019 onwards. So what I'll do, after close, I'll write from, and in quotes, whenever you are writing from, the first thing is your year. So let's say I want from 2019. After that you have to write month, I want from January, and after that you have to write date. Then comma, and then I have to write to. That means till which date I want. Again quotes, and in quotes first of all I'll write year, I want till 2020, dash your month, I want till December, and dash your date, I want till 31st December. Now let's see. So my data should come from 1st January 2019 till 31st December 2020. Now let's see over here. Now see your data. It starts from 1st January 2019 and it will end till 30th December 2020. So in this way, if you want to fetch the data for multiple companies or for whatever open, close or adjusted price you want and the time period, you can give the command over here and you can extract the data. Now let's talk about another package, that is tidyquant and tidyverse. So first of all you have to put library and then tidyquant and then again library and you have to put tidyverse. Now if you are working on tidyquant package, it has inbuilt package of quad mode. That means that package that we have discussed in the previous video. So now let's see, with the help of tidyquant and tidyverse, how can we extract the data from Yahoo Finance. So first of all, let's give the command get my symbols. So first of all, let's create the function. So I'm creating the function as y because I have already given the name x. So I am giving the new name y. Now let's write the command get my symbols. So you are getting symbol. Now again I am giving the command that I want the symbol for y, comma src. Src means your source. My source is Yahoo. I want to extract the data from Yahoo. Then I have to give the command from the date, which date I want to extract the data. So I want to extract the data from 2019 for January month from 1st January, and then I have to give the command to, that means till which date. So again in quotes I'll write the first of all year, then month and then the date. After that I'll write auto.assign equals to false. That means I does not want the data on the environment. So as we have already discussed in PD fetch command that the data is visible over here. So I don't want that data to be visible over here. So I just want to be stored, that the data is stored in the environment window only. So this is my command. So you will get the function get symbol y. Now after that you have to give the command ticker. Ticker means I want to club the set of companies for whom I have to extract the data. So my first company is NSCI. That means I want to extract the data from Nifty 50, and then I want it for ITC, and then I want it for Tata Motors. So I have created my ticker. So let's click enter. Now you will see the ticker is also created. Now let's see the price. I want the price. I am just giving the name price adjusted is equals to, I want to map this. That means I want to club this. So map, first of all ticker, and then I want it for the variable that I have created with the name of get my symbols. Now see. Now you will see that you will get the price adjusted is there and list of 3. Now let's click over here. Now you can see that the price, I have 3 variables because I want the 3 companies, one for NSE, one for ITC and one for Tata Motors. And there is 492 days for which the data is being extracted and 6 variables. Variables can be for open, high, low, close, volume and adjusted price. So that means there are 6 variables. But suppose I don't want it for all the 6 variables. I want it only for the close, or I want only for the adjusted. So what command I am going to give? Now after writing your price underscore adjusted map ticker comma get my symbols, I'll just freeze it. So for freeze I have to give the symbol percentage, then your greater than, and then again percentage. I want to freeze it that I want only the close price, and for the abbreviation for close is CL. Now see over here. Now we have 6 variables. I want to reduce it to CL. So again I have to freeze it. And I'll give the command reduce merge dot xts. That means I want that all the things to be merged and it is reduced only to close. Now see over here. Now see, if I'm clicking now price dot adjusted, everything is being merged and you can now see the table for starting from 1st January 2019 till your 30th December 2020. Your all the data is being extracted. Now you can work on this. In the similar way, you can extract the data for more than 3 companies. You can extract the data for 5 companies, you can extract the data for 10 companies or whatever number of companies you want. Now with the help of these extracting, even you can collect the data for Indian economy, you can collect the data from GDP from the World Bank. So in this way you can collect the data from any bank or any stock. Hope you have understood the concept. Thank you.